Right then, I'm back out on the beach. I'm out with a Legend. Haven't been out for a while, I've not been very well. Plus the way my shifts have been, it's been a bit difficult for me to get out onto the beach. But yeah, the sea has stripped quite a lot back. So I'm just going to literally be down here for an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So we'll see how it goes. See it first hole. Got a 25, 26. Could be a bit of aluminium. That's out. Out. Oh, there we go. It's not 10p, it's a 50p. So first hole's a 50p. I do apologise about the gloves. But I've left my other gloves at home. I've just noticed that there's quite a bit of a cut here as well. I don't know if you can actually see it. There's a cut all the way along. So there might be some other goodies here. That's been there a while anyway. But anyway, first hole, a coin. So there we go. Second hole coming up as an 11. Here's a bullet. Yeah, just a bullet. That's a 45, not moving. Out. No, it's a penny. Yeah, it's a penny. £1. Oh, that was a 30, 31. Yeah, 31 now it's out, so it could be a 20p piece. Definitely a coin. And it's a 20p piece. Yep, 20p. 42, 42, 43. All day long should be £1. Not too far down. Ooh, it says. It's out. Oh, there it is. A little bit black around the edges, but it's fine. That'll clean up. Yeah, £1. That's a 43 to 45. In the old days, before the updates, I would have said it was £1. As you can see just a second ago, that's now dropped to 42, 43. So it could be a fishing weight. Could be a penny, could even be a 2p piece. Oh, it's out. It's out. That's a coin. And it's another penny. Yeah, another penny. Another 43 to 45. Is it another penny? It's a bit chilly today. See if I can get to the hour and a half marker. If not, you will see every hole dug. That's out. It's out. Another coin. Another penny. So where the I'll show you in a second. Where the cut happened. See the cut there? Just get my hand out of my cut up here. So everything's dragged all the way down. So that's why I'm getting this line of various different coins. Mainly old pennies, or pennies I should say. But yeah, this is basically probably the sitting point all the way along here. So let's see if I can get any more. I'm literally what, a metre and a half. Got 22, 21, 22. So it could be a 5p piece. Could be. Fingers crossed. Yeah, another coin. Another 5p. Another 5p. So yeah, so it is literally this is going to be the falling line by the looks of it. So we've got 48, 48, 49. Could be a 2p. But, let's just see. We generally come up 48. It's a solid 48 now. Out. That's a coin. Certainly 2p shape and size. Yep, 2p. Yep, 2p. Or not to p. That is the question. There's a hole. Very iffy signal. 28, 29. But then when it's come out, it's a bloody pound. So, not quite sure why that dropped so low. There's another pound. The sound of a 20p piece. 30, 31. Doesn't move from them figures or the numbers. So let's see. Yeah, it's got a 30, 31. Yep. Another 20p. 20p. 24, 25. That's ring pull numbers, but sounds good, so I'm going to dig it. Plus I want to get more than 10 items today to actually be able to make a video. Sounds better now it's out. Oh, it's 5p piece. Oh no, it's not. What's that? A 10p. Yeah, bent up 10p. Yeah, 10 pence a piece. There you go. So 29. Solid. Dials all the way across to the right. And it says it's a deep, but whether or not it is doesn't matter. It's getting shallower. Now, 29.30. Another 50p. Yeah, 50p. There you go, 50 pence. 2008. Right, just had a fishing weight, and now we've got a solid 43, so that's going to be a pound coin. I'll be surprised if it's anything else. It's out straight away. So it's going to prove me wrong. Oh, it is proving me wrong. It's a £2 coin. I'll have that. Yeah, £2 coin. 44 to 45, occasional 46, so possibly a penny. Yeah, that's a penny. Yeah, 1 pence. .42 solid. So again, I will go for a pound coin. Might be fooled actually. Out. Yeah, another £2 coin. Yeah, another £2. I wasn't expecting that. £2 coin. 27 not moving. Could be a 10p, but then again it could be a ring pull as well. I think I just saw it. Yep, ring pull. One ring pull. That's another 30 to 32. The last 32 was a bit of copper. 31, 32 generally is a, oh, it's come up as a 31 now. It's generally a 20 pence a piece. Couldn't point her out. Sorry for sniffing. Yeah, couldn't point a job. surely. Yeah, fishing weight. That's the second one I've had today. And so it had to be, really. There you go. 29.30. Not far from the entrance now. Have a little nose around, see where it is. Should be another fishing weight. That is out. Oh no, there it is. We've got 20p. Yeah, 20p. 20 pence. I would say that this is going to be the last hole. 44, 45, banging in the year rolls. Banging in so much it could even be a can. That's another fishing weight. Another fishing weight. That's 3 of them today.